Yo, what is up, everybody? I'm back with another video, and as you could tell by the title and thumbnail of this video, this is going to be my 6-month review of owning my Dodge Durango RT. Yeah, technically I did get this car back in November of 2025, so it's technically been 8 months of ownership, not 6. You know, even though it's been 8, I figured this would just be a great opportunity to come on here and share my experiences about owning this car, because these cars, the Durango RT, the Charger RT, the Challenger RT, all of the RTs in general just get so much hate as a whole. It's like, oh, why didn't you just get a Scat Pack? Why didn't you get a Hellcat? Oh, just get an SRT. The 5.7 is way more affordable for people who are not looking to go in debt at a young age. Okay, I'd be completely lying to you if I said this car wasn't one of the most fun vehicles I've ever owned in my entire life. Through these first 6 to 8 months of ownership, I really haven't had any issues at all. When it snowed here in South Carolina back in like January, I did try and take advantage of that and do donuts, since my car is all-wheel drive. I did end up breaking my front left CV axle in this wheel here. So I would highly recommend staying away from doing stuff like that, unless, you know, just don't do it, actually. just don't. Right now I'm sitting at just about 92,000 miles. I got this car back in November at 78,000 miles. So I've put about 14,000 miles on this car, and it really has not given me any issues at all. I mean, this car looks phenomenal as well. But like, on top of all of that, the 5.7 is actually a really good platform. These engines can handle a lot of power. If you were to go in and supercharge it or tune it, they can really take a beating. I know countless people who have supercharged their 5.7s or turboed. I know a guy with a turbo Durango. That's wild. That's enough yapping though. How about we get in, drive around a little bit? Matter of fact, let me get a little warm start for you guys. Yeah. Like, even internally also, sorry if the recording looks a little bit wonky. My phone is about to overheat. I have the AC on. I waited a couple minutes, put it up to the AC vent. Really nothing. So if you're wondering why the recording looks a little bit laggy, then that is exactly why. And this is also why I should invest in like some Meta glasses or something. Maybe that would be a fantastic idea. Got a clear lane. My gosh. Oh, like, it's got a Beat speaker system. It's got like so many luxurious controls in the back that control the entire climate in the back half of the car. It's got optional 3rd row of seating. You could carry up to like 8 people in this thing if you really wanted to. And honestly, 80% of the hate that you would get on owning an RT, or if you have an RT and you understand what I'm saying, 80% of the hate that you get on these cars is all online. It's over TikTok or Instagram or YouTube or whatever it is that you're posting your car on. If you do post it, that's where majority of the hate is going to come from. I barely ever get any hate on this car actually in person. I mean, a good 80% of the time, I get nothing but compliments. So if you are thinking about getting an RT, like an RT Charger or Challenger or Durango, I highly recommend it. It's been one of the best vehicles I've ever owned. I bet there's a cop right there. Ah, there wasn't that time. Cops always love to sit back there in that little cranny. Cops actually love to sit everywhere on this road. As you can see, someone's actually getting pulled over up there. There he is right there, actually. left right here, actually. Well, that is just going to about wrap things up for this video. I know it's a little bit of a short video, but no, yeah, my first 6 to 8 months with this car have been nothing short of absolutely amazing. Well, yep, hope you guys have an absolutely fantastic day. Hope you enjoyed, and yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Deuces.